now we're done with solving, with giving you some tips in solving these problems. Let's actually solve a problem. Okay, so there's the first problem. Tow ka ngayon. By the way, some of the problems here are not in the annotated lecture slides for us to solve more problems para mas marami kayong examples. Yung ibang sa annotated lecture slides, you can read the solution there. Some of the problems here are not there para mas marami kayong makitang examples. Para sa inyo to. Yeah, I can actually solve them, but mas better nung mas marami tayong examples na other than those written in the annotated lecture slides. Okay? So for example, this problem here, tow ka ngayon. A 1,000 kilogram car is being moved by a crane. The car moves with constant velocity upward. A, draw the free body diagram of the car, and B, find the tension in the cable that supports the load as the car moves with constant velocity. Okay, so maybe I'll be giving you a minute to think of how to solve this problem, and I'll go to my 1 minute. Okay, so 2 minutes have elapsed. So let's try to solve this problem. So again, you have a 1,000 kilogram car that is being moved upward by a crane. The car is moving with constant velocity upward. One important key here is it moves with constant velocity upward. What does it imply? What does it imply? This implies that
acceleration is 0.
There is a 0 acceleration, therefore the net sum of all forces must also be 0. Therefore, this is in static equilibrium. Okay? So yan. So in that case, ang unang pinagagawa is what is the free body diagram? So we first draw a free body diagram. Okay. So ano yung mga forces na nag-act? What are the forces acting on the car? The forces acting on the car are? What are the forces?
Tension.
Ano lang? Tension tsaka?
Weight.
Yes, weight and tension. Okay, so what I will do is, to use the draw function here. So ang gagamitin ko, drawing ko muna yung forces. How does the weight act? Paano nag-act yung weight? So I'll use red pen. Take red pen. So pababa. So pag nag-drawing ako, pag ganyan, dapat 'di ba? Ihuli ko yung dot kasi ewan ko, for some reason may problema tong ano. Pero nauna dapat yung dot. So yan. So I have a tension downward, and then ano yung direction ng a weight downward. Ano yung direction ng tension?
So upward.
Upward, tama. So pag ganyan, sort of parang pag ganyan. Yan. Tapos i-connect ko na lang sila ng dot. Tapos gagamit ako ng green. So this is this is weight, W vector, and this is tension, up vector. Okay, so that's your free body diagram. Nakuha? Nakuha to? Medyo tabigido yung tension, pero sige. Okay lang yan. Okay, nakuha? And then after that, edi, ayan na. So, letter B, so find tension. So, we will use the coordinate system where the positive axis is positive upward. So, positive y ito, positive x ito. Pero wala namang x direction, so just ignore the positive x. So, pero positive y upward. Hence, we know that summation of forces acting on y is just equal to what? So, based on the problem, it moves with constant velocity. The car moves with constant velocity. Hence, what can you say about the net sum of all forces acting on y? Dapat, 0 lang yan. Therefore, this is just equal to positive yung tension. This is T. And then, note here that I'm talking of the components, not the vector. Kung may vector yan, ang dapat, puro addition lang yan. Ganyan siya. Pero, tinanggal ko na yung vector, kaya lumabas na yung units. So, this should be positive tension, negative weight. And therefore, obviously, the tension should equal to weight. T equals W, which is the mass of the object times acceleration due to gravity. And therefore, from this problem, this is just equal to 1,000 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second squared, and therefore the tension exerted by the rope on the car is 9,810 newtons. So, questions? May tanong?
Sir, sa lahat po ba ng FQ, sir, 9.8 na yung gagamitin namin or sa FQ1 lang?
Sa FQ is 9.8. 9.80.
Sir, sa lahat na, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
9.80. Nakuha to? Did you get this item correctly? Nakuha? Based sa mga chats? Mukha naman. Okay. Questions? May questions ba sa topic na to? Wala? Very easy, right?